There's a man up on the roof. What are you doing up there?
Well, I knew somebody was going to come along with a camera and say, "What are you doing up there?" Playing with my pole.
You're playing with your pole.
I'm up on the roof playing with my pole. What are you doing down there?
That's a very big pole cleaner stick.
Very big pole cleaner stick.
Oh, you got a soapy puddle. Look at that.
Peppa likes something in
Yeah, that's right. Look, that is a soapy puddle. Is this supposed to be, look, is that supposed to happen?
What?
How all that water's coming down like that?
Well, if it stayed up there, it would rip it apart. You don't want it to stay up there, do you?
No.